made 7 books in German. Soon they will be in English, so go on my website and turn on the notification. Every 15 books I will send updates. The best book now where you can make up to 1,000 to 15,000 is the TikTok method, but it costs €500.69. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to BluntKing. In today's video, we're diving into the world of opportunities because, let's face it, who doesn't want to make some extra cash, right? Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time gig, or just want to explore new avenues, I've got you covered. We're going to explore 10 methods on how you can make money in 2024. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump right in. First up, freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or social media guru, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Leverage your skills and turn your passion into profit. Have a skill others want to learn? Create and sell online courses. Websites like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge and make money while you sleep. But only sell knowledge you all made SNTH with, cause you can get busted for faking. Next, affiliate marketing. Partner with brands you love, promote their products, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. It's a win-win for you and the company. If you have a knack for photography, sell your images to stock photo websites. Every time someone downloads your photo, cha-ching! Passive income at its finest. Now, onto dropshipping. Set up an online store, but here's the catch: you don't handle the inventory. When someone makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. Minimal risk, maximum potential. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest in real estate. Check out real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Real Timigo, where you can invest with as little as $500. Offer your expertise as a consultant. Whether it's business, marketing, or life coaching, platforms like Clarity.fm connect you with individuals seeking advice, and you get paid for your valuable insights. Start a podcast on a topic you're passionate about and monetize it through sponsorships. Companies are always looking for new audiences, and your podcast could be the perfect platform. Become a virtual assistant. With businesses going digital, entrepreneurs are outsourcing tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media. If you're organized and tech-savvy, this could be your gig. Last but not least, cryptocurrency investing. Dive into the world of digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. While it comes with risks, staying informed and making strategic moves could lead to substantial returns. Offer your expertise in managing social media accounts. Many businesses struggle to maintain an active online presence, and they're willing to pay for someone who can help them navigate the ever-changing landscape of platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Sign up for platforms that pay for taking surveys or writing reviews. While it might not make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra bucks during your downtime. If you excel in a particular subject, offer your tutoring services online. Websites like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com connect you with students looking for extra help. Become an e-commerce reseller by scouting deals on platforms like eBay or thrift stores and reselling items at a markup. This can be particularly lucrative if you have an eye for in-demand items. If you have accounting skills, offer remote bookkeeping services to small businesses or entrepreneurs. With the right software, you can efficiently manage financial records from the comfort of your home. Method 16. If you have coding skills, consider developing and selling mobile apps. With the app market booming, there's potential for significant returns if you create something valuable and unique. Method 17. If you're passionate about fitness, become a remote fitness coach. Use video calls and messaging to guide clients through workouts, provide nutritional advice, and help them achieve their fitness goals. Method 18. Start a blog focusing on a niche you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, monetize it through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products related to your niche. Method 19. Virtual events hosting. With the rise of virtual events, offer your services as a host or moderator. Businesses and organizations are frequently hosting webinars, conferences, and online gatherings, and they need skilled hosts to keep things engaging. Method 20. Language translation. If you're fluent in multiple languages, offer your services as a translator. Many companies and individuals require translation services for documents, websites, or communication with international clients. Method 21. Digital content creation. In the era of online content, consider creating and selling digital content. This could range from ebooks and online courses to stock photos or digital art. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy to market and sell your digital creations, providing a source of passive income. Method 22. Virtual real estate investing. While traditional real estate might require significant capital, virtual real estate is a growing trend. Invest in domain names, websites, or even virtual real estate within online games. As the digital landscape evolves, so do opportunities for virtual property investment. Method 23. Subscription box services. Start your own subscription box service catering to a niche audience. Whether it's curated snacks, unique handcrafted items, or specialized tools, subscription boxes offer a steady stream of income and allow you to build a community around your brand.
Method 24. Podcast monetization strategies. If you enjoy talking about specific topics, consider starting a podcast. Once you've built a dedicated audience, explore various monetization strategies such as sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or even launching a Patreon page where listeners can support your content.
Method 25. Virtual event planning and hosting.
With the increasing popularity of virtual events, there's a demand for skilled event planners who can organize and host engaging online experiences. Whether it's a corporate webinar, virtual conference, or online workshop, your expertise in event planning can translate seamlessly to the digital realm.
Remember, each method requires effort, dedication, and adaptability. Choose a path that aligns with your skills and interests, and don't be afraid to explore unconventional avenues. The evolving digital landscape continually opens up new possibilities for those willing to innovate and seize opportunities. Good luck on your money-making journey. And there you have it, folks. 10 methods to make money in 2024. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Find what works best for you, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share it with your friends. Until next time, Hot Rain Loot. Peace out.